In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jobber software effectively. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your existing setup, this brief guide will walk you through some key features to help streamline your business operations. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. It's a user-friendly platform designed to help with job management for service businesses. Once you've reached the website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. Otherwise, take a moment to sign up. Setting up an account is straightforward and will give you access to the myriad features Jobber offers. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper part of the interface where you'll find a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you into the settings area of the software. This is your control center where you can fine-tune various aspects of your business. From here, navigate to the marketing section, then select Website. This option allows you to manage how your business appears online, crucial in attracting and retaining customers. When you open the website customization page, you'll see a preview of your site on the left. This real-time preview allows you to see the changes as you make them, which is immensely helpful. On the right side, you'll find various customization options at your disposal. This is where you can really make your business stand out and ensure it aligns with your brand's image. One of the first things you should do is update your logo and tailor your PDFs to reflect your brand identity accurately. These components are essential in establishing a professional presence and are managed within your business profile settings. Consistent branding across all customer touchpoints is fundamental in building trust and recognition. Next, let's talk about request forms. In the Settings menu, head over to Requests. This feature lets you customize form fields and descriptions, allowing you to collect the precise information you need. Moreover, you can include a detailed description of your services, ensuring that potential clients have all the information they need at their fingertips. If your business supports online booking, you have the option to customize the booking URL. Additionally, you can add UTM tracking to your links. This helps you monitor where your leads are coming from, enabling you to refine your marketing efforts and spend resources more effectively. Finally, let's not overlook the Client Hub. Through this feature, you manage the visibility of products, appointments, and requests. This customer-facing portal ensures your clients can interact with your business seamlessly, ensuring a smoother customer experience. With these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering Jobber and making the most of its powerful features, all in the name of running a streamlined, efficient business operation. Happy job managing!